Okay, my friends, so in this video I'm going to show you the entry, how we actually enter a position. Okay, first off we need to set the alert. Okay, as you can see, there we go, in real time you can see that we do get signals in real time. That was on Bitcoin. Okay, trade we just had there, and as you can see it's in no man's land, the 1 hour chart, so it's not actually a signal, but a signal that did happen not long ago on Monero. Okay, was a 4 hour signal. Okay, and we'll just zoom in a little bit. Okay. Okay, as you can see, the price dropped. It went inside the bands area at the bottom. Okay, and then at the close of this candle, we got a buy signal. Okay, so that would have close this candle would have been the entry for that trade. Similar story up here. We went outside the bands area, at the bands area here, and then a sell signal appeared, and then the market dropped. Okay, and these here are continuation entries. Okay, we have the first initial drop, then the first touch of the middle band area, then the drop, and then the second touch of the middle band area with sell signals. And close these candles, we would have received the signal, and we simply enter in the close of the candle when we receive the signal to our emails. Okay, to set up the alert for it, it's pretty simple. You just select the alert area of TradingView and just select the indicator, the CrytoAceX, and make sure the options, it's once per bar close, so we get the signal once the bar closes, and show pop-up yes, and send email yes, and that's all you do there. Okay, I've already got these set up for me. I have all my pairs that I trade, futures pairs that I trade on Binance, all set with alerts, so anytime there's a signal on the assets that I trade, the crypto pairs that I trade, I will receive a signal for that. Okay, so that's the entries, and yeah, so pretty simple entry. Okay, price goes outside the top bands area, comes back in, then we get a sell signal more or less at the bands area, and the market drops. Okay, you've seen at the start of the video that these signals do happen in real time. Okay, it's not lagging. They happen as soon as the candle closes, we get a signal. Okay, so the indicator is programmed nicely. Okay, comes up here, sell signal, and we enter. Remember, with the continuation trades, it has to touch the drop down, okay, from the initial sell signal, drop down below the middle band area. Okay, test it once, then on the second touch, if we get a sell signal, on the second touch of the band area, we are allowed to sell the market. Similar story with a buy trade. Okay, so you can get a good example here. You can see a good example on the sell positions here. Okay, after the initial first breaks down through the first initial test, okay, we get a sell signal, and all the way down we can sell this all the way down. Okay, pretty powerful. Okay, similar story with the buy. Okay, just opposite with the buy. Okay, you can see we had a buy here, it's broke up through. This first touch of that gets a bounce here, then moves up. The second touch, if we get a buy, then we can start entering continuation trades. Okay, so that's the entries. Okay, the next video will show you the